Cauliflower salad with tuna and eggs. Let's add a little salt to the boiling water. Right, just a little. Add so it feel. So have this remain. We're gonna allow this to boil or cook. Is little did I forget that I said I was gonna add egg to it. So we're gonna add the egg. I didn't have any elbow, so I'm using what I have. So I went ahead and I boiled with 2 eggs. And I also have some tuna fish. I have eggs. I have some celery, red and green bell pepper, and some onion in this bowl. I have some corn. I was going to use mixed vegetable, but I changed my mind. So I have corn, I have a piece of lemon. I'm going to use some Old Bay just because it is seafood. The Old Bay already having paprika. If you don't have any Old Bay, just use paprika. I'm going to use some sweet relish, some Italian dressing. I'm using the mayo. I'm using some mustard along with some black pepper. So let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and add the tuna, and this is about 5 cans of tuna. I'm gonna add the celery, the bell peppers, and the onion. I'm also going to add the corn and the egg. Just a dash in everything, yeah, man. Squeeze the lime. I'm go in with some Old Bay, not too much, just a little. I'm going to add some relish. Going in with a generous amount. I'm also gonna add the Italian dressing. I'm gonna go in with some mustard. Some black pepper. So I'm also gonna add some mayonnaise. I will combine them together now. It's come like it's gonna take 2 more egg. The egg last. Taste. Wait to go on with. Yes, it is nice. Add a little more relish and a little more dressing. A little more Old Bay and a little more mayo. Somebody want to add some shrimp to this, you know, but that will just look too much. Too much things that are going, so I'll just stop it at this. But yeah. So I went in and I boiled 4 more eggs, and I add a little tip of celery because I'm still scared of it. I don't like celery, but I taste it and kind of a nice little vibe of going. So I'm just gonna chop up them egg and drop them in there. And yeah. So in all, that is six egg. I don't know when I think 2 egg I go. 2 egg too little bit. Last. Alright. Alright, so just combine this. So at least we can see the egg them now. This is a vibe. Would you pay $50 for this dish? Too expensive or too little? Would you pay $50 for this dish? Too expensive or too little?